Happy International Teachers Day. Bismi Rabbi Shawda wa Salihin. Hello everyone. This is Dr. Jafar Slim from Alhamd Group of Colleges. On account of World's Teacher Day that is celebrated on 5th October, I do hereby extend my greetings to all the teachers of the world and acknowledge their efforts for spreading knowledge, light, wisdom, for reshaping the future of their students. Thank you for your tireless efforts for nourishing the leaders and learners of tomorrow. On behalf of all the teachers and faculty of Ahmed Group of Medical Sciences, I just want to say that खूने दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, खूने दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, हमने गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है. Happy International Teachers Day.